Hey guys, Michael Jeanette Pro. I'm going to be launching some new products. They're going to teach you how to make money with your JVZoo account. So if you want to make money like you see me doing here, real simple, there's a link below this video. I'm also going to be showing you how to use JVZoo traffic, okay, for your benefit. You'll be able to actually have ads here. You're going to run ads here that are real simple, real affordable, and they're going to blow your PayPal account wide open. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's kind of a sneaky tactic that I found out about. Most people don't know about. I will be launching that video soon, so get a jump on everyone else, guys. You want to do this, get in as soon as possible. If you need to make money online, if you're here, I imagine that's what you're trying to do, make money online. I'm going to show you how to do it real easy. So the teaching is going to be really good. It's going to be coming down the pipeline. The products are going to be really teaching you how to do everything. Super advanced formulas that you've never seen before. You'll find it all below this video. Check it out, guys. Click the link below. It's Michael Jeanette Pro. I'm out.